Hello everyone, welcome back to Madam Poclay's channel, and it's been a year. I just want to tell our 2-night story in Alcuda Lake as we did camping. Alam mo yung vibe ng late night road trip, then madilim ang highway pero puro lang tawanan sa loob ng sasakyan, waves on, music chill, windows slightly open dahil malamig ang hangin. So, bawat kilometro papunta ng Alcuda, ramdam ko na unti-unti akong humihinga ng mas malalim. Parang hinahanda ako ng gabi para sa 2 araw ng peace. So, pagdating namin, halos kami lang ang tao. Tahimik, malawak, at puro stars ang pusap mo. Doon kami nagsimula mag-set ng tent in the dark. Ang daming bloopers kasi mali ang pagkakakabit ng pole, may nahulog na peg, may moment na lab, tingin mo, tama ba to? Moments. Pero kahit messy, ang cute kasi teamwork kasi kami. So, we did the setup. As you can see. Time-lapse na natin yan, guys. At abutin tayo ng siyam-siyam. Medyo mahaba tong post na to. Namiss ko lang talaga. So, this time, iset up ko na yung loob ng tent. Yan. Medyo ayan. Walis-walis kasi yung previous camping namin, medyo napuntahan ng maraming sand yung loob ng tent. Yan. By the way guys, I'm sorry. Tagal kong hindi nakapag-post dito. Ang daming pinagdaanan, ang daming pinagkabisihan sa trabaho, sa personal life. So, ngayon ko lang ulit naisip na mag-vlog at i-record at i-post ang mga nangyayari sa buhay ko. But I will make sure that from time to time, i-update ko kayo. So, ayan na. Naset up na ang ating mattress inside the tent. O, diba? Aesthetic lang ang peg. Diba? By the way, yung partner ko, we've been together for 2 years now. And that's it. After finally setting up, nag-start na kami ng bonfire, yung amoy ng kahoy, yung crackling ng sound, tapos yung lamig ng gabi na napa-perfect balance sa init ng apoy. So, we sat beside each other. Then legs stretched out, just watching the flames dance. Parang kami lang nasa sarili namin mundo. Okay? Even nilaglagay kami ng parang fence namin using yung fairy lights. Kasi along the road ng Alcuda yan eh. Para naman yung mga dadaan na sasakyan, makita na meron nang nakaset up dun sa may gilid. Ayan. So, inaayos ko yung laman ng loob ng tent. Siniset up ko lang yung mga items sa loob. Hindi naman, inaayos ko yung set up niya. Nag-time-lapse na ako dito guys kasi sobrang haba talaga eh. So kung makikita nyo, mabilisan lang yung maggalaw namin. Gusto ko lang i-showcase lahat, isama lahat ng mga ganap that night. By the way, 2 days yan. 2 nights, 2 days sa Alcuda kami. Walang katapos ang setup ng lights yan. O, diba? So, ayan. Aesthetic lang ang peg. Okay. So, by the time na settled, natapos na kami, settled inside the tent, it was morning already. So, it was like the sound of the lake, the cold breeze, and his arm around me. Ang sarap na tulog, may tahimik na puso. Okay, and on the daytime na, nagising kami sa sunrise na kulay gold. Sobrang tahimik, yung tipong maririnig mo yung lake moving, passing by. We made simple breakfast, kape, egg sandwiches, tapos lakad-lakad lang near the water. Every corner felt peaceful, walang deadlines, walang notifications, just us. And by afternoon, nag-set up kami ng sisha, nakaka-relax. Sit kami facing the lake, music low, wind steady. It was one of the moments where you don't need to talk much. Just being there together already says everything. So, second night namin, as the sun went down, the second night, nag-bonfire ulit kami. Same warmth, same flame, pero ibang feeling, mas grounded, mas connected, mas grateful. So we shared stories, plans, dreams, pa-deep talk na minsan nakakatawa. The stars were brighter that night, and even the moon, it's full moon, parang mas nakikiramay sila sa happiness namin. So this time, our second day, before heading back, nag-breakfast kami by the lake again. Slow morning, light conversations, and that feeling na sana may day trip. As we packed up the tent and cleaned the campsite, I look around and felt grateful. Alcudra gave us peace, but of course, my partner made it feel like home. Love it, and for sure, I'll be back soon. Thank you all for watching, and I will try my best to upload more of my everyday ganap or weekly ganap. And I'm back for good, YouTube. I'm back. But most probably, ang mga ipopost natin is about camping. Please share, like, and subscribe. And see you soon. Madam Poklay signing on again. See you, Alcudra, and see you, everyone. Bye.